You can personalize your Workflow account with a variety of predefined themes and typefaces. In this way, it just allows you to make Workflow feel a bit like yours, a bit more like yours. The great thing about these themes and typefaces is they're consistent across desktop and mobile, and you can switch at any time. Changing a theme or the typeface used is as simple as clicking in Settings in the menu in the top right corner and choosing from a group, from a section of different themes. As you can see, some of them are quite different, and they can make your Workflow content feel very, very different indeed. Like so. And then for themes, for fonts, it's exactly the same thing. Like so. Just a little way of making Workflowy feel a bit more like yours.